Okay, got this in yesterday. It actually was sitting on the porch and I didn't even know it had been delivered. It came FedEx and there was no, didn't get any kind of notification. I knew it had shipped, but I didn't really think it'd be here that quick. So, this should be from Jurassic Park, or Jurassic World. This should be the bigger vehicles. Let's see. Wow, look how small that is. So I think there's only 4 in here. Yeah. So we'll take a look at this box. Matchbox Jurassic World Dino Transport Assortment. There's our numbers. 4 pieces. Yeah, this is Entertainment Earth's information. So let's take a look at this, and then we'll. Oh, it has a street date here. Don't put it out till April 17th, 2022. All right. I think these are exactly the same as the ones that were released before. I didn't cut through good enough. Just pull them all out. Packed pretty good. I like that. I might just leave them in this box for a while. All right, looks like the first one is the Quetzalcopter. And then it has some other languages here. There's a look at the back. Does it say anything? Hook and carry. Doesn't even really say like what dinosaur it is, does it? That one. The Tyranno Hauler. I remember this one from the other series. There's the back of it. It shows you how to capture it. We're just gonna look at these real quick, and then I'll compare them to the older ones. The Gigamotosaurus loader. The words are all under the bubble. They're hard to see. There's the back of it. Oh. Yeah, I'm shaking the camera. Try not to do that. Rotate and lift. Okay, and then our last one is the Stegosaurus claw carrier. Claw opens and closes. Nice. All right, let me grab the other ones and we'll compare them real quick, see if there's any color change or if they've done anything different. Okay, I had 7 of the older ones and was able to match up 3 that are pretty much the same. So here's the Tyranno Hauler. This is the new one for 2022. And then this is one that came out earlier, 2017. All right. So let's look at these real quick. course, our dinosaur is colored differently in the new one. But other than that, this truck here appears to be the same. I don't really see any difference on that. And then on this one, the Quetzalcopter. I don't know why they gave it such a weird name. This one is comparable. It's the Raptor Copter. It has a raptor in it. So it's the same helicopter. Appears to be the same color and everything. Same. Just a different dinosaur. And then this one is the same thing. Okay, and this third one is similar to another one. The Dilophosaurus loader has that dinosaur where it opens up, you know, when it's shooting out the poison. But it's the Giganotosaurus. Am I saying that wrong? But the truck is the same. In the package, they have them a little different. This one is raised, and the swing arm is down on this. So, and of course, they got different dinosaurs. This dinosaur actually looks a little bigger. And then I didn't see one for this. Of course, I may not have it, but I didn't see this particular one, the Stegosaurus. But on the rest of my old ones, I have the Triceracopter, the Armored Raptor Hauler, the T-Rex Trailer, and the Tricera Tracker. So a little bit interesting anyway. I am glad they're a little bit different, some different dinosaurs, and they changed the dinosaurs, and these new dinosaurs look painted. They have more paint on them. So thanks for checking out Ronnie's Games. Let's look at the back of one of these older ones. It says new. This is 2017. So it doesn't look. Yeah. None of them have, they just have the single picture of whatever's on the front. So I'm not sure. I'd have to do a little bit of research to see if this vehicle was released before. I guess I don't have it. Okay, in that 2018 series, there were 8, and of course this sub was never produced. They've listed this sub a couple times, and every time it's never come out. But I don't see this one, the Stegosaurus claw carrier. I don't see that one, or see one that looks like it. Okay, and here's a quick look at the 2019 series. So they list 5. Of course, this sub was never released. But we've seen these before. They're just packaged differently. We saw them in the 20, it says 2017, but it's the 2018 series. Okay, just Googling this and looking at images. This is the only image that comes up for this. I searched for Matchbox claw carrier, and then also put Stegosaurus in there. So as far as I know, this would be a new vehicle for this series. I'll try to look at the date on the bottom of this, see if there's anything. If there is, I'll put it up. Thanks for checking out Ryan's Games.